Airlines want you to believe the price you see is the price you pay. But behind the scenes, it's a rigged game. The big carriers act less like rivals and more like a cartel, working together to keep fares high and choices few. Price wars? Rare. Instead, they raise fees in sync, invent new surcharges and strip away perks, all while pretending it's just the market at work. They dominate key airports, so you're stuck with their prices. Dynamic pricing isn't about fairness. It's about squeezing you for every dollar, tracking your searches, and creating fake urgency. Deregulation was supposed to help travelers, but now a handful of giants control the skies, swallowing up smaller airlines and colluding to keep prices high. The result? Fortress hubs, hidden fees, and a system designed to drain your wallet. But cracks are forming in their fortress. Travelers are waking up, and a rebellion is brewing. The cartel's grip isn't as strong as they think, and you're about to see how to break free. You know the feeling hours spent searching only to watch the price jump at checkout? Suddenly there's a fee for everything, seats, bags, even boarding early. The base fare is just bait, the real cost is hidden behind a wall of add-ons. It's a relentless shakedown, turning travel planning into a stressful gamble. Prices swing wildly, and you try every trick incognito mode, VPNs just to outsmart the system. But the house always wins. The airlines want you to feel powerless to accept that this is just how it is, but you're not alone. Millions of travelers are fed up with the nickel and diming. We're not just frustrated, we're ready to fight back. The silent army of travelers is finding its voice, and the tools to fight the cartel are finally within reach. The game is changing. What if you could flip the script? There's a hidden world of apps and sites built by rebels who refuse to play by the airline's rules. These aren't your average travel search engines. They're the airline industry's worst nightmare. Airlines try to shut them down, but they keep coming back, exposing loopholes and glitches the cartel wants to hide. These apps unlock fares the airlines never meant for you to see, sometimes 50, 70, even 90% cheaper. They make impossible trips possible, turning the airline's own complexity against them. Every time you use one, you're not just saving money, you're protesting the system. You're joining a quiet rebellion, one cheap flight at a time. The existence of these tools proves high prices are artificial. The airlines could charge less, they just choose not to. Now, you have the power to fight back. How do these apps work their magic? It's all about exploiting the airline's own rules. Hidden city ticketing. Book a flight with a layover in your real destination, then just get off there. The airline's pricing models make this possible. Apps like Skiplagged hunt for these loopholes, finding routes where a longer trip is cheaper than a direct one. They also pounce on mistake fares. Glitches that drop prices to absurd lows, sometimes for just minutes. These platforms combine one-way tickets on different airlines, building custom itineraries the big sites won't show you. They're not tied to airline partnerships. Their only loyalty is to your wallet. By thinking outside the box, these apps reveal savings hidden in plain sight. They decode the matrix of airline pricing. The result? Massive discounts and a way to finally beat the system. The tools are out there. You just need to know where to look, and now, you do. This isn't theory, it's happening every day. Travelers are sharing their wins on social media, round trips to Rome for $280, cross-country flights for $65. Viral videos show people booking hidden city fares and mistake tickets, inspiring millions to try it themselves. These aren't ads. They're real stories of people beating the system. A college student books a $220 round trip to Tokyo thanks to a mistake fare. His dream trip, finally possible. Deal-finding communities are growing, sharing tips and alerts in real time. When someone finds a deal, hundreds more can jump on it before the loophole closes. It's a grassroots rebellion, powered by information and solidarity. The airlines can't stop it. The more people who join, the stronger the movement becomes. These stories prove you don't have to play by the cartel's rules. The revolution is real, and it's working. Are you ready to join? Before you dive in, know the risks. Hidden city ticketing breaks airline rules. They can cancel your ticket, void your miles, or even ban you. You can't check bags, and if your flight is rerouted, you could end up in the wrong city. Travel light, and be ready for last-minute changes. Scams are out there too. Stick to trusted apps and sites and never pay with sketchy methods. Use incognito mode to avoid price hikes, and always book with a credit card for fraud protection. Never call the airline to ask about a loophole fare. That's a rookie mistake. Be smart, be discreet, and understand the trade-offs. The savings are real, but so are the risks. If you're careful, you can outsmart the system. Just know what you're getting into. The rebellion rewards the bold, but only the smart survive. The airline cartel's era of control is ending. You have the knowledge and the tools to fight back. Don't just accept their prices, challenge them. Next time you book, compare secret apps with airline sites. See the difference. Start small, feel the thrill of beating the system, and share your wins. The more we spread the word, the harder it is for airlines to keep gouging us. Information is power. Use it. By joining the movement, you're pushing for a fairer, more transparent industry. This is about more than cheap flights. It's about reclaiming our right to explore, exploit the loopholes, take more trips, see more of the world. And when you return, share your story. Let the airlines know their grip is slipping. The keys to their kingdom are in your hands now. The sky is calling. It's your turn to fly. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments where you are normally flying from.